What's up, everyone? We're at Whistler Blackcomb. I'm with Sandy Ward, Marie Francois, and what are we about to do?
DOA.
we can't see anything, but we got the fat maps. We looked at Avalanche Canada. We might turn around, but we're at least gonna go find where to enter and see what happens.
Do you know what it means?
Dead on arrival. Which means,
Down, over, and around.
down, over, and around. That's so much better.
It's the directions.
Yes. Down, over, and around, which doesn't sound as bad. Because I was trying to figure out what dead on arrival meant. Like, was it scary when you got there? Or like, I didn't get that.
I can't remember who told me that. I think it was Holly Walker.
And Blackcomb is actually called Chick 10.
Chick 10.
Chick 10. Because you're a 10. That's why. Okay, follow along. She's entering.
What? Yeah.
Board in. Easier, Sandy.
It's just her calf.
I know. Yeah! Okay, so it's still windy, ladies. What's your prediction when we get on the top?
Wind.
Marie?
I think it's gonna be sunny, and it's gonna be elves and fairies.
There's definitely an elf on the mountain. And there's a fairy.
I'm sure there are many.
As you can see, it's pretty cloudy out still, but I'm pretty optimistic it's going to be fun when we get to the top. We'll be able to see both sides because there's rock all the way down, over and around, DOA. And it's just so fun to be out here with Sandy and Marie France. April 22nd, Earth Day. Every day is Earth Day. Okay, everybody, Sandy was right. We're going to go find the entrance to DOA. I think it's over here. Follow along.
It's right there. You can clearly see it.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, now walk up, please. Gorgeous. Into the abyss.
It's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's hot, it's hot, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's hot, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's hot, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's hot. Saucy, feeling spicy, gotta treat me really nicely. Love my taste, love my flavors, you can have me every way, hun. If you leave, come right back. You want more? That's a fact. I'm a boss, handle biz with the checks, can't get with this. Like, moving at the pace we move, counting up the paper like boom, boom, boom. Like, boom, boom, burning up the place like ooh, slamming on the gas like boom, boom, boom. Like, boom, boom, boom. I'm getting hotter and hotter. That's right. 20 inch rims I'm on top of. That's right. Climbing up, counting the earnings. That's right. Bringing the heat on, burning. It's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's hot, it's hot, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's hot, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's hot, it's burning, it's burning, it's burning, it's hot.
but it wasn't that bad because you could see the rocks on the side when you were going down. And I just want to thank my crew, Sandy Ward, Marie-Francois, 2 snowboarders. I do ski with skiers sometimes, you know this, but I do prefer snowboarders.
You do?
They just go a little slower. It's not as like super fast.
Yeah,
And you know I love skiing. I've been skiing my entire life, so.
we like to hit the slopes slow and maximize.
Yes, the whole mountain. Oh, and the